How do I replace the control board? This video will teach you how to replace the control board of the spacecraft machine. Turn it on, click here in standby mode. Set the multimeter to this DC voltage level. Measure the board voltage in standby mode. The red marker is placed on this red dot, and the black marker is placed on the black dot. The voltage becomes 11 volts or around 12 volts. It means the board is working. If the voltage is 0, the board is broken. Need to replace control board. Now teach you how to replace it. First of all, make sure that the 220-volt power cord needs to be unplugged. Use 75% medical alcohol to remove the glue that fixes the board. Apply on the glue block. Use tweezers to remove the glue block. Remove the wires on the old control board one by one in order of position. Now let's introduce the definition of each line on this board. This is the power supply port of the entire board. This is the positive and negative pulse. This position is the control interface of tag. This is the positive terminal of tag and the negative terminal of tag. This is the screen interface. This is the communication line interface displayed behind the control handle. This is the signal line that controls the laser power supply. Then this is the flow sensor interface. This is the interface for the handle switch. This is the interface for the water tank light. This is a 5-volt signal interface. This is the temperature sensor interface. It is best to take a picture to record the position of each thread before replacing it. Unscrew the screws at the 4 corners of the board. The lines on the old board correspond to moving to the new board. The screw of this wire can be loosened with the screw. Just replace it with the new board. Finally, install the screws of the board. Then a new board was replaced.